Is a pretty interesting way to take advantage of the file info command. Here's what it basically looks like. We have an image, and in the file browser we choose file info. And in this dialog box, which is going to be just, I can barely get it to fit in a view here, this is where you can basically put in information. For example, who created it, if you want to give it a title or keywords or something of that nature. You also have the ability to go in. There's all this various information. But here's the problem, potential problem with this is every time you click on a new image and you want to apply information to it, you have to go back to File Info and put that same information in. So one of the things we can actually do to save ourselves a whole lot of time is in this File Info command, we go into the basic description to say, for example, I want to put my name in there. And I also want to say that it is copyright. Now this really isn't my image. I'm just doing this for the purpose of demonstration. This is actually Brand X images, but we're going to put my information in here. This is what I want to appear on every single image. So if I had some information or whatever, this is not a real website, so don't bother to look at it. So basically now here, these are all keywords. I don't really want these on every single image, so I'm going to delete these because I'm just going to put my name in here again so that comes up. If you had a whole bunch of images, you certainly could put the keyword you want to use, but all I want to make sure that I'm setting up is my name is the author, copyright information, etc. So what I then do, instead of just clicking OK, which would apply to this one image, let me move this way over here so if you can see this. I choose this command, Save Metadata Template. It actually says template there. And I go in here and I call it Dave C Copyright and save it. And then I can click OK. So what that allows me to do now is as I'm in the file browser and I say, you know what, all of these images here, all these images I want to have the same information. So I just go to the Edit menu and I choose Replace Metadata, and there's the two templates, one I'd made previously and one I just made. So I say Replace Metadata with this one. It asks me this generic warning. You can always not show it again, but it basically says, do you want to apply this change to all the selection? Yes, I do. It takes a moment or two, and now if I go to any one of these images into File Info, all the information is already in there. My name, my copyright information, and so on. And as you can see, you can create more than one metadata template. It's a really interesting way to speed up applying file info to a whole bunch of images you've taken. I hope you enjoyed that tip. I'm Dave Cross. See you again next time with another tip.